Hi people, welcome back to a brand new video. This is another trade recap of the day. Today we're back on the 50k account, and the trade recap of the day is gonna come to you very soon. Let's go. Today is we're on day 12 of the training challenge. I've extended to 30 days, so we're only 12 days away, nearly halfway there. So let's go. I've been journaling. I've been putting my all the journals, my emotional, everything inside the journal. I'm gonna collect this 30 days data, and I'm gonna look back into it, and hopefully I can fix my psychology and fix myself. So let's go. This is a trade recap for you guys. Let's go. Welcome back to a brand new day. Today's Monday. Quick win today. One second. Price is just going. What the flip? I didn't even know I traded this much. Shit then. Up today on the funded account, 736. I'm trying to take it slow. Slow and steady wins the race. So coming into the day, I actually wanted to go shorts. The reason being because one second, I wanted to go short because I had this DOL, and I have got this daily gap that we want to go into. So and plus when we came down aggressively, and I was like, I want personally to come tap into here, but price never tapped in. I wanted to tap in here, price never tapped in, just carried on getting shorts, carried on going shorts. And then it came around here. Well, let me turn that thingy off, guys. Wow. Damn, my actual target was like here. But I was risking 700 and I just came out here. Anyways, guys, so when we came down aggressively, we actually came and tapped into the 3 minutes. We tapped in a 3 minute FEG and went straight down. But when we went down, we saw when price came down, it kind of took this, it swept it instead of, what's it called? It swept it instead of the body closing below it. That it got swept rather than body closing below it. So then price went all the way back up again. It was a 15-minute gap and created the 15-minute gap, and then after just started coming down again, slowing down, and I was in for a short around here. This is, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, I was in for a short around here, and then I realized, wait a minute, price could go down, but I'm just in my head. I was like, does this look like it's going down? It came down. Then after it went all the way up here, then I closed the trade here. I closed few trade shorts here as well. I got break even twice here, and I closed few around here. And then after I waited, I was like, okay, if tapping into the 3 minute was strong enough, we should have closed, and below this we should have closed this. But then I counted this place as a rejection. I was like, it's just swept it. It hasn't really gone down, so I was like, okay, I might look for some longs. So what I did was I went, I saw what price did. Price tried coming down. It actually tapped into here. We could actually call this a rejection block. Tapped into the rejection block and then just gave a displacement higher with the market structure shift. If you go on the 3 minute, yeah, I gave a displacement higher with the market structure shift. And then once that had happened, I was waiting for price to come down. So price here came down, and I was waiting for it to be respect the equilibrium, or either the 62% or 79%. It respected the 62% of the fib retracement, then gave us a displacement higher, but it hadn't take out the 15-minute. It didn't take out the 15 minutes. So this was my target, this 15-minute here. So what happened was price, oh, sorry, let me get here. So I got my fib retracement again, got it here, and also I was looking for this inversion. It inversed this when it went up, as you guys can see. It inversed this FEG right here, inverse fair value gap. So that was another confluence, but I never entered here. Otherwise, if I went all the way up, I would have been break even. So I was like, okay, it inversed the fair value gap. Okay, cool, that's good. Now, because I didn't enter and the price was going up so quick, I was like, okay, now I want price to come and respect the 62% or 79% or this order block. I want price to come and respect it. I had my buy limit here, but then I don't know why I closed it. It kept going down. I closed it. I don't know why. My target was literally so clean and so nice. Anyways, and then when I closed the buy limit, I was like, wait, it's respecting this order block, and plus it's in our 62%, and it's tapped into the 79%, and this is literally my entry. This is what my favorite retracement is. This is literally me, and plus we've got untapped 15-minute FEG, and then I just entered here and I took it right here, took my profits right here. My initial target was actually here, but it's okay, guys. Right here, I was on a loss of 300, so I made back 736. So I was like 1,000. But yeah, that was a quick one, quick 2R, 2.3R. So that's the trade recap of the day, guys. Emotion wise, after playing around a little here, I took a few losses. My emotion was going a bit, it's going a bit icky, but then I managed to put myself together and I wasn't focused on the trade. I was like, I'm gonna take it and just I'm gonna let the probability and just do it itself. I wasn't looking at P&L. I wasn't looking at the price, and yeah, I just waited for price to just tap me out or tap me in, and I just waited for price to just hit SL or TP, and that is it. So emotional wise, I'm still getting used to seeing money fluctuate a lot, but let's hope we pass this account. So let's go. That's the trader of the day. 736 on the day. Hopefully we pass this account. Fingers crossed. Inshallah. Let's go.